So, bro, I have this segment which I've like recently started. So, where I'll ask you about three people, and what would you do if you woke up tomorrow morning like them? The first thing which you would like to change about them. First is Logan Paul.
Oh, Fire Mike.
Why?
That's He's
I talked to you about it. I want you to like elaborate a bit about that. Why do you hate Mike?
Bro, he changes Logan for the worse. He's very selfish. He's very selfish, Mike. You can see it, bro. You can very clearly see Logan has had two very serious relationships, and this guy like really likes he really liked his girlfriends, and his girlfriends really liked him.
Right.
If you noticed, Mike was always involved in it. In the breakup with Chloe, everyone knew. Even sometimes it slipped out from Logan and Mike at times that it was Mike's fault that they broke up. And Chloe and Logan were one of the best relationships I've ever seen.
Yeah, for sure.
Now Logan and Josie. So they, again, very close to each other. But as soon as Mike got Lana back, there was this period where Mike was single.
Yeah.
And he was about to get back with Lana. In that period of time, Logan and Josie broke up.
Yeah. Do you think he has a hand over there as well?
100%. He didn't want to be single on his own, so he made Logan or something, and then turns out he's back with Lana.
But I respect Mike for his knowledge personally. I like what he's.
Yeah.
See, I'm not too involved into not involved in the sense like I'm not talking about the girlfriend part. I fully agree with you over there, but when I see his podcast, I feel that the most sensible person in that whole 3 people or 4 people desk is Mike. That's my personal opinion. Do you agree with that?
Entitled. No, I disagree. Because you see, I will tell you, see the older podcasts. See where that one very interesting one was there, where they wasted the opportunity. This guy who had knowledge about aliens and UFOs and all. It was an insane, interesting opportunity where the guy, he was giving them proof. Like, I'm giving you proof aliens and UFOs exist.
Right.
Mike, porn, girls, a dick and all that.
Oh my God.
Dude, see your audience, man.
Okay.
See your fucking audience. And then he's like, well, that's what we're trying to change here with the podcast. He despises the old fans.
Right.
And he wants new eyes because the new eyes are the only ones that are going to come to him.
True that.
So he wants new eyes. He doesn't care about the old audience. He doesn't care about Logan's old audience. Because they're not going to come to him. Because he's a 30-something-year-old guy sponging off of a 20-year-old. It doesn't appeal to a lot of younger people.
True that.
But it does appeal to people like him. So
True that.
That's what I will say, that a lot of the audience, mature audience, will go towards Mike because he talks about the whole sex and all that stuff. That's where he took the audience, and he's keeping them with Lana.
True that. I even feel that between before Mike, Logan and Evan, they were really good friends. But after Mike came, I don't see much of Evan and Logan's vlogs anymore.
And you notice every time Mike is away, Logan and Mamba are together back. And those vlogs are the best.
True that. Fully agreed. The second guy is Jake Paul. The brothers.
Ooh. Jake.
Yeah.
I think with Jake, I would try and rectify a couple of relationships. I think with Logan one. And to not be an asshole. Like, I know it sells.
I was waiting for you to say that.
Yeah. Like, I know it sells, but he's built himself in such a way that if he's good tomorrow, he will sell more.
Yeah,
Because
true
what
that.
the fuck,
True
Jake?
that.
Jake is being respectful. The fuck? And everyone will gather to watch it. But I understand his
Even-
point that
even
everyone
again-
wants to see him lose. So
yeah, yeah,
he has to be the villain there.
yeah.
So I understand that.
And I feel that that's one thing which has fueled him up recently, that he has more people to prove wrong,
Hmm.
and that's why he's become this problem child, as he calls himself.
Hmm.
Yeah. And the third guy is KSI.
Ooh, KSI.
Yeah,
I would stop taking jabs at Logan and the people if I've won
you
against
clearly
them,
have a
Weller and
bias
Logan.
for Logan.
No, like even Weller. Like you see, like KSI has respected both Logan and Weller, respectively.
Yeah.
But he refuses to move past it. Like you beat them, it's over. So why not rectify it and be just chill with them?
True.
Like Weller, he should be fine with. He's like, I don't care about him, but that doesn't mean like if the
Yeah.
chance comes up where Weller messes up, that
Yeah.
KSI will hesitate to take a jab at him.
Yeah.
And even with the Logan and Floyd thing, Logan
Uh-huh.
said 15-1. KSI had to
wait,
jump in
wait,
and say 1
wait, we'll talk about it. Wait, we'll talk about it.
Alright.
Before that, let me get into the fight which happened today. Jake Paul versus Nate Robinson.